Today, I had a pretty simple repair, upgrading a hard drive to an SSD. I have a lot of customers asking why their computer is so slow, takes so long to load files, or applications to launch. And even though I don't like to diagnose before actually figuring out the issues, a lot of times it is just a simple SSD upgrade. Old hard drives use mechanical parts to read and write data, while an SSD has no moving parts. It uses flash memory, which makes it much faster and reliable than a hard drive. This means quicker boot times, faster application launches, and smoother performance overall. It's a simple upgrade that will boost your computer's performance and help it last for several more years. Now, there are cases where customers already have an SSD installed and still have issues with the performance of their computer. And in those cases, I suggest a PC tune-up. Just like our cars, our devices need maintenance. A computer tune-up is necessary maintenance to improve the performance, fix issues, and ensure the computer runs smoothly. The tune-up includes cleaning up unnecessary files, updating software, and even checking other hardware to ensure it's performing optimally. Now, once we have the SSD installed, we can close it up, install the software, and let the customer enjoy their computer. Shout out to my Gators. I'm accepting all bets. If you need a repair, link is in bio. Till next time, peace.